This is what my kitchen drawers look like. So taking away from that mess that I have down there, I've started to explore these Carote detachable premium non-stick pans. And basically you have a group of, this is a group of 6. So there's 3 pots in here, or 3 pans or pots, however you're going to use them. And each of them come with this, they just send you one handle that is detachable. Easy to click on, easy to click off. All non-stick surfaces, which I truly enjoy. I mean, I think I've spent money on different non-stick surfaces that don't necessarily work that well. It comes with a lid that fits with a small pot. It also comes with a storage container lid. The lid just sits on top. It doesn't firmly snap in there. So that's something to consider. And then second, then you get 3 different dishes. So again, you put these on your stove. So it does end up giving you more space on your stove, right? Because I can put one here. I'm going to take this one off. I can put one here. Obviously, if these are hot, it's going to make a difference. One here, and then one here. And we all know when we get all those handles in the way and we have all the handles sticking out, it doesn't work that well. It does work best with the back burners. That's where it is the best achievable. You just basically just snap it off, and then you can pick them up and say this one's hot and you want to put it over there, you flick it off. Putting this on the side of the stove here as you're doing that, I think is an exceptional idea, and I will continue to purchase some more of these